Hello students, let's understand about air pollution by vehicles. You have already studied about air pollution by industries. We have taken two cases also, that is Bhopal gas tragedy and Visakhapatnam disaster, which has occurred recently, in which styrene gas is released. So these two topics which can come in your this time UGC NET exam, so we can cover that. So let's come over to this air pollution caused by vehicles. Now air pollution is caused by vehicles on a regular basis, but nowadays you may be saying the air is very clean and it's visible in many of the videos and news also. So what we have to do is we have to study this in detail because it's an important topic of UGC NET. So first you should understand what are the pollutants, then their characters, sources and effects. So pollutants. In pollutants, first I am taking carbon monoxide or CO. Its characters are: it is invisible, odorless, tasteless, binds with hemoglobin 100 times more than oxygen. Now what is this hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is actually the oxygen carrier of the blood. It's present in the red blood cells. It combines with oxygen in the capillaries. Actually, across the alveoli, the oxygen is transferred to the capillaries across the alveoli wall, and then oxygen combines with hemoglobin and goes to the cells of the body, where oxygen breaks down the glucose and produces energy. But when this carbon monoxide reaches the alveoli, then it replaces oxygen and it combines with hemoglobin and it forms carboxyhemoglobin. So, and why does it replace oxygen? Because it has got 100 times more affinity than oxygen to hemoglobin. So it will combine with hemoglobin and form carboxyhemoglobin, and we will see what it affects, how it affects a person. So sources are vehicles and stubble burning. Stubble burning, I think all of you know, burning of the remains of crops, which is more done in Haryana, Punjab region, and which has resulted in the smog in Delhi in the winter season, and which has led to the odd even rule of vehicles in Delhi. Now come to effects. So carbon monoxide is highly toxic. It causes dizziness. Dizziness means a person will feel like falling down. He will not be alert and his head will feel like very heavy, that is dizziness. Then it causes death. Then asphyxiating, it is asphyxiating. Asphyxiating means it leads to breathlessness because it is replacing oxygen. So carbon monoxide, as it combines with hemoglobin of red blood cells and goes to the body cells, so oxygen is not able to go, so the person will feel like breathlessness, that is called as asphyxiating. It is asphyxiating and that leads to death of a person. So you might have heard that many people who lie down in the winter season with some coal burning in a closed room or with some angiti burning in a closed room, they die. And they die due to asphyxiation. Means there is breathlessness because carbon dioxide mixes with their blood and they die, and it is a silent death. So it's said that carbon monoxide leads to a silent death of a person in sleep. So you can understand how much dangerous it is. Now come to the next pollutant, that is nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen oxide. Now these are both toxic gases. And what they cause? They cause vehicles and combustion of fuel. They are released from the vehicles and combustion of fuel. That is, when fuel burns, then these things are released. Then what problems they cause? Their problems are also similar to carbon monoxide. They cause breathing problem, nasal irritation, means irritation of the nasal lines or irritation in the nose region. Then cough and mucus is produced because of inhaling these nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide. They cause allergy to the person. means he may have allergy and it may result in sneezing and cough for the person. Then at very high concentrations they lead to death of the person. So I hope you have understood these two pollutants today, that is carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen oxide. And both of these are actually toxic gases. They are released by the vehicles and both of them have similar characteristics. That's why I have taken these two in my video. That is, both of them are highly toxic. They cause death due to, when high concentration is there, they cause death because breathing problem results in the person. And here it's death due to asphyxiation, means again breathlessness is there. So I hope to have today you have understood air pollution by vehicles, and in which two pollutants we have taken today, that is carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. So students, you can go through my videos, you can subscribe to my channel and you can press the bell icon for getting the notifications timely. Almost regularly ma'am is putting the videos so that you get good help during this lockdown situation, as your UGC NET exam is coming soon. It will be most probably in the 3rd week of June. Till now the MHRD has not declared any new date, so be ready for this exam. Thank you.